Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. If you've ever had an unremovable, rusty, and corroded bolt that has completely put a halt to your project, then you've got to check out this 1500 watt induction heater tool by Mxmoonfree. It works great on nuts and bearings too, and it comes in a really durable case with safety gloves and plenty of coils in different sizes for the perfect fit. And I really appreciate the longer coils that you can shape and bend to reach those hard to get to spots. The typical repair usually contains some rusty corrosion that makes removal difficult, and that's why you need this tool. It's easy to place the coils into the heat tool, and the knobs are easy to tighten to hold it in place. As soon as you plug it in, the fan will begin to work, and the light turns on when it's ready to heat. It doesn't take long at all, and once you've placed the coil around the bolt, I was really surprised to see the bolt turn orange from the heat. The heat will expand the metal to loosen the rust, and it makes it really easy to remove. My husband was unable to get a nut removed with his impact driver, but the Mxmoonfree Induction Heater worked so well. It was easily removed afterwards, and we've used it around our barn on repairs, and I love that it's so much safer than using an open flame. It's more controlled and it heats evenly. This would make such a great gift for anyone who works on repairs. It's the newest and hottest tool in our barn, and it's already saved a lot of time and frustration. You are going to love it too, and that's my point of view.